Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study for maths one day before an exam. Start by quickly reviewing your class notes and textbooks. Don't try to learn new material. Instead, reinforce what you already know. Pay special attention to formulas and definitions. This quick overview will help you identify areas needing a bit more focus before the exam. Next, dive into practice problems. Don't spend too much time on problems you already master. Instead, concentrate on the types of questions that usually challenge you. Work through a few examples for each key concept, focusing on understanding the steps. This targeted practice will build your confidence and reinforce your problem-solving skills. To truly prepare, simulate exam conditions. If you have a practice test or sample questions, try completing them within the actual exam time limit. This helps you manage your time effectively and reduces anxiety. Use only the tools you'll have during the real exam, like a calculator. This practice run is crucial for a smooth exam experience. Finally, prioritize rest. A good night's sleep, ideally 7 to 8 hours, is more beneficial than cramming. On exam day, eat a nutritious breakfast to keep your mind sharp. A quick, light review of essential formulas right before the exam can also be helpful. Go into the exam feeling refreshed and confident in your preparation.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.